Hey y'all, it's Miss Lutz, your personal fitness teacher. Some people have been having trouble with their submissions for the personal fitness profile, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you are in Pearson Connexus and you're in my class, personal fitness, where you need to be is 1.2.9, Unit 1 portfolio. So what you're going to be doing in this portfolio is different exercises, and you're going to get your stats for it. So here's what you're going to be doing. Number one, what's your resting heart rate? So I have a GPS watch because I run, and it shows me what mine is, but you can learn how to do that from your wrist or, from your neck, whatever. And then the sit and reach test, trunk extension test, shoulder lift test. It's going to show you how to do that down here. A 1 mile run or walk. So I'm curious to know, what is your time? But what they're wanting to know is what's your heart rate when you do that. And then how many sit-ups can you do in a minute? And then how many push-ups can you do in a minute? So you're going to do those, and then you're going to record your stats. And you can see here's the rubric. But when you are in Pearson Connexus, this is the link right here with the little mouse that you'll get to get on your profile. So it's a portfolio item. That means you're going to submit it to me. So you click on this, and then it's going to take you to a PDF that looks like this. So then now I can see, okay, my resting heart rate is 40 beats per minute. My sit and reach test, I can go so many centimeters, things like that. And then it's going to show you, you don't have to put your mile time. I just wanted to know what that was. Then, most importantly, what are your strengths? What are your weaknesses when you're doing exercises? And y'all, this is good to do because, we can always improve and we can always get better, but it's good to be able to recognize those. So for me personally, I'm a runner, so my strength is obviously running. I have a lot of leg strength. But then on the opposite side, I have no arm strength whatsoever. So for me, that's how I'm going to try to get better. And I like to do YouTube video workouts like Chloe Ting to try to do that for myself. Then, after you've done your workouts, you did your profile, you're going to submit it into the Dropbox. So you can submit the PDF, or y'all can copy and paste it into here in the comments. So those are two ways. If neither of those work, then just email me. So I hope that helps. If y'all need any other help, just email me through webmail or my school email, okay? Y'all have a good day. Bye.